I always wondered what they ate in the 40k universe, and I found out it's corpse starch. Now, that sounds nasty. Grinding people down, even if they're not worth anything, and then getting your noms from them, not convinced that's going to taste absolutely fantastic. But then, my gorgeous loving wife got me this hot sauce. Warhammer hot sauce. Now, corpse starch and hot sauce, maybe that's going to work. In this video, we may not have some corpse starch. We're going to find out how this tastes. Hi everyone, I'm Wayne. This is going to be a little bit of a different video now. This stuff I've wanted to try for a while. Now, it was my birthday a few months ago, and my wife managed to grab this fantastic product for me. I really was excited when I first saw this. I'm a huge fan of hot sauce. I'm a huge fan of Warhammer. What could possibly go wrong with this? Now, I'm not going to out of my way to find any corpses and grind them down and make anything authentic like corpse starch. I'm not putting that much thought into this video, unfortunately. I'm just super eager to get this tried now. It's been sat on the shelf for a little while, and I think now is the perfect time to give this an absolute taste and let you know what I think. If you can find it, it might be worth you picking some up. But first, let's get this poured out into some containers and see what it smells like, and then more importantly, see what it tastes like, and I'm going to let you know what I think. Come along for the ride, grab a beer or something, let's give it a go. What does it say on the back? Well, treat your tongue to 4 fiery, flavorful sauces, forged in the fires of the warp itself, ranging in heat and intensity from a mild, delicious lasgun tingle to an explosion of Scovilles that would make even an Ogryn think twice. I mean, that does sound exciting, doesn't it? Right, let's crack the first one open and see what we think, shall we? The first one we've got, the Veteran Cayenne Pepper Sauce. Now, what does it say? Humanity's finely trained frontline troop, forged in the scorching flames of battle, test your fortitude and stand your ground against the onslaught of flavour. Well, what can we say about that? Okay, so let's give it a quick shake. I do enjoy hot sauces, so a good tolerance for heat here. So just going to use some lightly salted nachos in the older Dark Angels bowl. So it's got a good colour to it. Decent flavour. Okay. Yeah, that's hotter than I expected. I thought it was going to start much more delicately than that. That's definitely got pretty much a rasp at the back of the throat. It's quite, how can I explain it without sounding massively pretentious? This entire video is going to be pretentious, isn't it? Let's face it, it's a bit of fun, but that tastes quite raw, I think. There's no pump to it. It's just like hot sauce. Straight away. That's it. It's not messing about. There's no subtle build up to the flavour. Next up, Zealot. This is Smoky Chipotle. What does it say here? Faithful followers of the Imperial Creed, they seek out flavourless heretics, bathing the battlefield in the blood of fire, smoke and zeal. Let's give this one a little bit more of a shake up. Yeah. I should have banged these on the paint shaker first, shouldn't I? Oh well. Yeah, that's coming out a little bit easier than the last one did. I want to get a reasonable bit on it. Okay. Oh, there's definitely a smoky flavour to this one. I've not even tasted it yet. It smells like barbecue sauce. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That's legit nice. That is really, really nice. What's in this one? Fermented green jalapenos, chipotle smoked jalapenos, distilled vinegar, water, garlic, spices, liquid smoke. Wow. Okay, that's interesting. That is like really nice. It's quite sweet. It's a much more complex flavour than the Veteran Guardsman. I really like that. I need to get some more of that, ideally unbranded. or not Warhammer branded, because it'll be way cheaper. I don't even want to know what the wife paid for this stuff. So that is good though. I enjoyed that one a lot. Not that I didn't like the Veteran Guardsman. I did, but that one I'm down with. The hotter territory now. Psyker, Scorpion Pepper. What does it say about this one? These rare individuals are able to tap into the mysterious yet delicious flavours of the warp, a tantalising miasma of spice and secrets. Miasma is one of my favourite words. If you're enjoying this video, by the way, do give me a like, a thumbs up, whatever it is. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this. Have you tried these? Did you like them? This hasn't got a thing in the top. And if you're not, do subscribe, share it with your friends. Let me know if you like this various hobby content style video, because this is kind of part of my hobby. I love these things, and sharing it with folks that also enjoy it is something I really want to do. Back to this. Psyker. Let's do this. This is going to come out fast. There's no messing about with this one. Yeah, that smells much, much hotter. So, ooh, yeah. Nice wodge of it on there. It's a nice orange colour. Way thinner than the last one. And I haven't given that a reasonable shake as well. It definitely smells more pungent. Here we go. Okay, so this one, Psyker, expected a lot. We've got some tingling on the back of the tongue. A little bit disappointed with that one, not gonna lie. Expected so much more. Thought there might be a bit of a build-up coming. There's definitely tingle there at the back of the mouth, but it's, I would say, not, to my palate at least, as strong as the Veteran Guardsman, which was the first. And I am taking these in order of what they're in the box. That's disappointing. Yeah, Psyker, meh. On to the last one, Ogryn, Ghost Pepper. Now we're cooking with gas. So, in terms of hot sauces that I do enjoy, I mean, I do like Nando's XXL and their Fursuit sauce. Okay, so let's, ooh, yeah, this one's got a very similar smell to Psyker. Again, no dispenser at the top. What does it say? Giant bulking brutes that pack a serious punch. The first line of defense against everything boring and bland. Again, it does smell a lot like the Psyker. I don't know if I'm going to be disappointed with this one or not. Let's see how we go. Get a ooh, good amount on there. That's a good amount on there. Crikey. Okay, this is a little bit scary. Let's get it in and get it done. Yeah, there's a tang to that one. I wouldn't say it was hot yet. Definitely the back of the throat, much like the Veteran Guardsman. It's got a bit of an unrefined burn to it. That is the hottest. It's not super hot. Vinegar taste to the back of it. Definitely nicer than the Psyker. Psyker is by far the least flavourful and most boring. I think Ogryn's my favourite. Zealot, Veteran, Psyker. Zealot actually be good with chicken or something. This is definitely a barbecue style sauce. Psyker, I'm not sure what would be good with. Veteran, perhaps some rice, something like that. Ogryn, now this I would 100% want with some hummus perhaps, and something a little bit cooler. It is quite a brutal flavour, I think. Don't have too much of it to get to back at throat like you did at Levy Coffin. And it's definitely got more of a build-up. And then Psyker. Oh, you know what? Ogryn would go well with some cheese. That'd be really good on some crackers. Perhaps with a little bit of a pickled beetroot as well on there. Yeah, that's what that would be good with. And Psyker, just sacrifice it to Emperor, to be honest. That one's weak. If you do like flavour, absolutely. Give this box set a try if you can get it. I think Merchoid stock it. Thank you so much to my wife for hooking me up with this. It was such an amazing present, and I'm so grateful because you know I love stuff like this. I know you guys know I love stuff like this. If you want more stuff like this, again, do let me know. I want to make a diverse mix of content, and I'll see you in the next one.